Hi guys, I am Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you how to get paid by watching videos, completing surveys and listening to your favorite music. So we don't have to waste any time. First you need to have one app. Come on to Play Store and search for Current and search and please don't skip the video. And if you want to have a payment proof of this application, that video link is in this description, and please check it out. That app is paid to the all people all around the world. So you have to come on to Current and install that app. I have already installed it. And come on to Current. Come on. You can earn there by listening to your favorite music. So that's the musics that you can listen. And come on to this option, boosters, and that's the another ways to earn in this. So by completing offers 1 to 30 minutes, by completing by watching stories 1 minute, and by watching videos 30 seconds. And you can see here that how much you can earn for these options. So I have to watch one video for your proof. After clicking on video, this window will pop up and video is loading. I will skip the video. After video have been skipped, this is the ad. This is the ad. And there you can see that grass. Oh, it has gone. So after clicking on cross, so you can see here you have earned 8 points. So come back. So my previous balance was 312 points, and now you can see 320 points. So that's the methods, and you can watch stories, and by completing offers have a real good money. You can complete them, and by watching to your favorite music. So the another option is invite and earn. Invite 10 friends, earn up to $25. Invite per friend plus 5 of their earnings for life. So that's the invite and earn. And for redeeming and withdrawing your money, come on to this page, redeem. You can see here the redeem option, and that's how many points you will earn. So I prefer to get $10, and I have 320 points in my account. So that's our today's method. You can withdraw your money, and the withdraw proof is in the video description, a link to another video that is a real proof of this application. So all this for that video. Please like the video, share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.